For Velowave. This box is literally almost the size of my butt. A Velowave bike that we're about to be trying out for this video. Okay. First of all, insane packaging. Huge, massive wheel. And the tire is just massive. Bike fully together. We got the battery pack right here. It looks like this bad boy just snaps on. I see it now. All right, we're gonna be riding good old Surron piece, comparing it with this Velowave bike that we got. Either way, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna rip it around out here, and we're gonna try this bad boy out. RJ said he's gonna be able to hit these jumps on it, so we're gonna give you some good shots of this thing jumping. Throttle on the left. Has a gear shifter here.
And the back brakes on the right.
Oh yeah, back brakes on the right. See how it does in the dirt, bro. Give her a test run. You see it. This is gonna be interesting. Ooh. Oh, he's mobbing. Oh, whoa. Hey, let's see a full speed ripper on the whoops from the street. Full speed. Ooh, okay. It's definitely rougher because you don't have rear suspension, front only, but that's a given. But definitely ripper in the rocks, dude. And obviously this is like a really hard test on a bike like this, as this bike is like, I'd say, mild for off-roading and more of like just an all-around type of bike. Like this is built more for hop on the street, you know, hit a bike trail. But dude, it actually kind of rips, bro. Give it a little pedal action. So when you, oh, it's actually quicker. Oh, when you pedal, it's way quicker, bro. I'm like barely pedaling. It's going 26, 27, 28. Dude, we're hitting like 30 miles per hour when we're pedaling. Wow. Dude, this thing's actually fast. It's just weird how the throttle's on the left. I'd say that's the one thing I really don't like about this. I don't like how the throttle's on the left and the rear brake's on the right. It's very odd feeling. Well, my front wheel was completely loose. I thought I felt something loose, and I was right. And don't know how that's gonna hold up, but this thing is like legit hand tightened in. But we'll just keep an eye on it. That's crazy. Look at that. Look at that jump. Yes, sir. Keep going. Yes, sir. Ooh, this is sick up here, bro. So we're going on the trail backwards. I just don't know how to get to the beginning of it because it goes a while. And I know there's more jumps up here. Look at this step down. Look at that step down, dude. That is fire. Oh! I feel like you gotta go slow and just go off it right. Oh yeah, because you're gonna get... I think you got it, Chief. That's a pretty big drop. You think I got it on the surron at least?
Oh yeah, the surron is no problem.
That's gonna bottom out for sure on the surron. It's kind of steep, Chief.
Huh?
It's kind of steep.
Oh, I got that.
Really? Get that shit cheap. For Velowave.
For Velowave.
We're gonna test the real durability of this. Just ride off it. Oh! Oh, hell yeah! Oh my God! It'd be game over. Front wheel's holding up with the bolt half in. This is like what I want to build in the backyard, bro. Get. Oh. What just fell off my bike? There's something wrong with it. You gotta, oh, this way. I don't know where the next jump is. Is this one big or not? How do we even got this far? That one's a big one. It's looking sick. We gotta do it, boys. We gotta hit the full line. There needs to be a little bit more of a landing on it, honestly. We're hitting all the other ones. Oh, look at the Velowave ripping up there. Oh my! Oh, I hit that way too low. Hit this one. This one's fun.
I almost died.
Same. This one's fat. It's not fat, but you can jump it as far as you want. This one's gonna be fun. Yeah, this one I landed completely flat, bro. I landed like right there, probably. Oh, I forgot. Yup. Oh, hit the booter. What happened? Your feet flew off. This one's my favorite. Little booter. Like you just get so much air off it. Dude, the bottom of my feet hurts so bad from these pegs though. That's no joke. Oh! Oh! Surron does not sound so healthy right now, boys. I'm hearing a lot of things clicking and clacking up front. Wheels loose, I'll give it that, but like, probably bent the rotor or something. That's like the best one. That's the best one because the only one with the landing.
Yeah.
It's so smooth. Wow.
I don't even know what I just did. I tried to turn it on.
Well, boys, I think we're going to let that conclude the little day we had with the surron and the Velowave. I was actually really impressed with how the Velowave did and literally jumping it off that huge drop that RJ went off of. It's definitely seen a little durability test with what we took it on. This thing eats through the dirt though. These huge wheels, I think these are like 26-inch wheels. Yeah, they're 26-inch tires, bro. That's insane. In the front on this one's only a 19. The only problem with it was kind of getting up the hill because you have to pedal a lot, but that's a given. That's why you have at least the gear in here, get it down to a low gear and everything like that. So this is a super solid bike, especially for the price and what you can do with it. And this is kind of just like the future right here. Actually, both the batteries almost lasted exactly the same. Both 48 volt. 48 volts, this gets like 45 miles on one charge. I'm really not sure on the Surron, but it's a little, you know, inaccurate when we were out there off-roading like that. Like I said, pretty much the only thing that I would change would be this whole throttle swap the brakes over type of deal. Super fun, and maybe more to come here testing this Velowave. It's always cool testing out new gen products like this, and thank you Velowave for sending this out. And that's going to do it for this one. If you guys want to grab yourself one of these bikes, make sure you guys check out the description down below, and you can save 50 bucks by using the link down below. And of course, until next time.